are some things that we have faith in every day? Some of those things are traffic lights will work. We count on the system, we count on the foundation, the idea that traffic lights will always work and we never have to worry about it. Now, do they go out every now and then? Yeah, and then we have to understand that when they do go out, all the pedestrians and all the people with the cars, we all have to get along, we all have to understand four-way stops when lights don't work. But outside of those times when lights do go out, which isn't very often, at least not here in Las Vegas, we all know that we can count on when it's green, everyone's gonna follow the idea that it's green. People on green go, people on red, they stop. And we just trust that this is gonna happen. We have full faith that this is gonna happen. We have full faith that one's not gonna all say green and then the other side that's supposed to say red doesn't say green, and then there's gonna be a horrifying traffic accident. We just believe it's all gonna work out. So traffic lights will work. We believe here that if you buy McDonald's, that McDonald's has proven their system, that if you're willing to spend something around $1.6 to $2 million to buy that franchise, and you follow their system, how to cook, how to hire employees, McDonald's University, how to own a McDonald's, be trained on how to own it, and we follow everything, we believe that the average McDonald's will make us our profit within 5, 6, 7 years of us opening it, because the average McDonald's, they say, makes somewhere between what, $20, $30, $40,000 a month. So if you open up that McDonald's, people will show up. We just believe in not just the system, but we also believe the integrity of the food, that people love McDonald's. That it's not a gamble to invest $2 million to own it, to go to McDonald's University, to learn it, and then we just know people will flock and we will make the money. We believe, we have full faith, our significant other will never do us wrong. We have full faith that when we trust someone to be our partner in crime, we have full trust that when we find that person that we love, that we're gonna marry, that we're gonna have kids with, we believe that that significant other is never gonna do us wrong. That we can all be at different places, and we believe that I'm gonna show her integrity and she's gonna show me integrity, or vice versa. If we show up to work, we believe we're gonna get paid by an employer. We believe that our employer said we're gonna get paid X amount a week, or we're gonna get paid hourly, or we're gonna get paid monthly. However your commission structure gets paid, we believe that if we put in X amount of hours, that we're gonna get paid for that. We just have faith, again, in people, faith in the work system, that's how it works. So the question you have to ask yourself now is, do you have full faith in yourself? We talked about it already, but let me elaborate. 1% doubt will absolutely destroy you. 1% doubt will absolutely kill you. Whatever you're gonna do in your life, whatever you say out into the marketplace, do you have full belief in what you said? Or do you say things and you exaggerate? Do you say things and you don't mean them? Do you say things where it's only at the moment, where you actually wouldn't do that? And we're not gonna talk like that anymore. 1% doubt will kill you. Whatever we say we're gonna do, we're gonna do it. We're gonna have full integrity about each subject, whatever that subject is. We're gonna have full integrity, a clear correspondence between your actions and your words and what you say and what you're gonna do, right? People do what you do, not what you say. Let me say again, people do what you do, not what you say. So if you're gonna do something, if you're gonna say something, you're gonna do it. If you're gonna do it, you're gonna say it. Full belief, 100%, 100% faith, non-negotiable, non-debatable. So we believe in the traffic lights, we believe in McDonald's, we believe in significant others, we believe in franchises, we believe that our boss or our business or whatever is gonna pay us. So now we have to have 100% belief, not 1%, full faith in ourselves. 1% now will absolutely kill you.